Welcome back to my channel, Mission Math Minds. I'm Sushma. Today we are going to learn Introduction to Trigonometry MCQ questions. It's our first session based on sides and values, and session 2 is based on complementary analysis, and session 3 is based on identities. So like this more videos you need me, please subscribe to the channel. First we will know about sides. For the purpose I'm taking right angle triangle, and I'll mark this number A, B, and C. And here which is along this side we have the markers and hypotenuse. And where we can adjust the building, that's the down. So that from down only we can adjust. So therefore we will say that one as the adjacent, and opposite to adjacent we will tell as the opposite. And here we have two angles as an acute angle, that is A angle and C angle, and one is a 90 degree, that is a B angle. For example, if you are taking C is a main acute angle, so then we will consider BA as an opposite and BC as an adjacent. If we consider angle A is an acute angle, and that one we are taking in a consideration, so we will consider BC as an opposite and BC as an adjacent. Based on the which angle we will get, but here I am taking C as the main angle, therefore I am considering AB as the opposite and B as the adjacent. Let me know about sin theta. So sin theta means what we will write opposite by hypotenuse. Here I gave an example also, that is for opposite I take a 3 and hypotenuse I take a 5 and adjacent 4. We will substitute it, we will get opposite is how much? 3 divided by hypotenuse is 5. Next we'll see cos theta means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. And next for tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Otherwise you can divide sin by cos also will get, that is 3 by 2. If we need cosec case, cosec theta is opposite, that is reciprocal of sin theta, that is what? Hypotenuse by opposite, that is equals to 5 by 3. Next secant theta is reciprocal of cos, that is hypotenuse by adjacent, that is equals to 5 by 3, and cot theta is equals to adjacent by opposite, that is reciprocal of tan, that is equals to 4 by 3. Now if we need cot theta, sec theta, sec theta in our form, the sin, cos, tan form is here. We have an observation, that is cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta, cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. And here we have a Pythagoras triplets. If you are going to get any problem based on Pythagoras theorem, otherwise anything you need to prove is where you can consider this Pythagoras triplets, because if you have this Pythagoras triplets, that means if they give any two values, you can see this triangle only, you have a two values, that is 3 and 4. You can easily get to know that another one is a 5 only. So like that only this Pythagoras triplets also, because any two values with this another one you can easily get. Why ma'am you take the 5 values? Because I take the 5 values. This is the most apparent one. So therefore only I am taking just this 5. I think based on this 5 only there will give more problems. They will not give out of this one. You need to do any problems based on this. So we downloaded this 5 Pythagoras triplets and try to memorize these formulas. Next we have values. Trigonometric values. Here we have a sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. You can go through with my videos where I explain the small tricks for the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, how to find out by using hand. So you can go through my videos and you know how to use this one and how to find out. If you don't know also, now I will explain so you can easily understand. Here if we know the sin value, we can find out another one easily. If not we have sin value, sin 0 we have 0, and sin 30 we have 1 by 2, sin 45 we have 1 by root 2, sin 60 we have 3 by 2, and 90 we have 1. If you need cos means reverse of this. That means sin 90 what you have, that will be cos 0. That is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0. You can see the reverse of it here. And next we need a tan theta, that is dividing the both the tan theta value. And cosec we need to take reciprocal of sin, and sec we need to take reciprocal of cos, and in a cot we need to take reciprocal of tan. So funny. Here we have an NT, that is not defined, associated infinity also. This is very important, but to remember it, otherwise you can't remember it. My videos. Then you have a mini tricks how to find out easily the sin theta cos theta values. First problem, if sin A is equals to 3 by 5, then the value of cosec A is. Options we have 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Here they gave sin, we need to find out cosec. We need to find out cosec means what is a reciprocal of sin. That is cosec only, because we need a cosec means we can write 1 by sin A. That means reverse of that one only we need to write. So therefore sin A reverse is a cosec A. Therefore what is we have sin A? That is 3 by 5. Reverse of that is what? 5 by 3. Then what is answer? Option A, 5 by 3 is a 5 by 3. Then you understand why I explained that one everything is basic one, because if you know that you can easily find out this problem. That's why I explained that one concepts everything. Second one, if cos theta is equals to 12 by 30, then the value of sec theta is. Options we have 7 by 12, 13 by 12, 11 by 13 and 7 by 30. It's also like same first problem. We take their sine and cosec. Here we need to take cos and secant. So what is the reverse of secant? That is the cos. So what we have cos theta, that is 12 by 13. Reverse of that is 13 by 12. That means numerator will go up and denominator will go down. Therefore option B, 13 by 12 is the correct one. Third one, if tan A is equals to 12 by 5, then the value of sin A is. Options we have 12 by 7, 12 by 13, 13 by 12, 7 by 5. Here they said we need to find out sine. So what they gave tan? That is equals to 12 by 5. And what is a tan means? That is opposite by adjacent. Then opposite will be 12 and adjacent will be 5. We will use now Pythagoras triples. You can see that one. We have a Pythagoras triples totally 5 I gave. In that we have this one also, that is 5, 12, 13 also. In this what all numbers we have? 5 we have, 12 we have. Other one which is left over 13. That means 13 is a hypotenuse because that is a bigger one, longest one. So therefore we can say 13 is a hypotenuse. Now we will substitute in a sine formula, that is sin A is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. That implies what is opposite, that's a 12 and hypotenuse is 13. Therefore option B, 12 by 13 is a correct answer. Now you understood how to use Pythagoras triple. That means if we know two values, we can easily tell the one value is which one. Without using any formulas, otherwise any calculation, easily you can write it. Fourth one, if cos B is equals to 4 by 5, then the value of tan B is. Options we have 5 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 6, 3 by 5. It's also like a similar problem, third one, how we did like that only. Here they gave cos B, that is 4 by 5. What is the cos? That is the formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Now we will use Pythagoras triple, that is 1, 3, 4, 5. Here we have two values, that is 4 and 5 as a adjacent by hypotenuse, which is another one, 3 is the opposite. Now we will substitute tan formula, that is tan B is equals to opposite by adjacent. Opposite values, which is the leftover one, that is 3 divided by adjacent is what? 4. Therefore we can say answer option B, 3 by 4 is the correct. Then now we solve for the sides based on the MCQ questions how it will arise. Now we are going to solve for the values. If you have any confusion how to get the values, otherwise you are going to forget the values so easily, just try to remember that one. Otherwise you can't remember that means you can go to the my videos where I explain how to remember the trigonometric values by using asterisk, so you can easily get to know how to do it. Let's see that problem now. We have a fifth one. The value of sin square 60 plus cos square 30 is. Options we have 9 by 4, 4 by 9, 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. So here they said we need to find out sin square 60 and cos square 30 sum. So what is the sin square 60 value? That is root 3 by 2. That's only the value of cos 30, because you can see what we have from the right side. This is the left hand side, that is reverse of the only become. Then sin 60 value and cos 30 value both also root 3 by 2. Now the root square it and we will add it. So square of root 3 by 2 plus square root of 3 by 2 whole square. Now what is the square root of 3 whole square? That is square and root cancel, so we get 3 divided by 2 is 4 plus that one also will get 3 by 4. Now denominators we have, so directly we can add, that is 3 plus 3 by 4. 3 plus 3 will get 6 by 4. Now we can divide by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Therefore we will get answer is 3 by 2. Option C, 3 by 2 is the correct answer. value of sin square 30 minus cos square 60 is? Options we have 0, 3, 4, 1. Sin 30 value and cos 60 value both are so same only, that is 1 by 2. Now we will substitute that is 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is sin square 30 and cos square 30. Because same values we have and the different signs, so directly we can cancel, we will get the answer 0. Therefore option A, 0 is the correct one. Side 1, if 2 cos theta is equal to 1, where theta is an acute angle, then the value theta. Options we have 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. It's an easier one, by seeing only you don't get confused. So what they gave, 2 cos theta is equal to 1. So cos theta we can write as a 1 by 2. Because that by 2 I'll take down, so it will become cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. What is the value of 1 by 2 in a cos related to cos? So that is cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So we will write down that as a cos theta is equal to cos 60. We have a same term, so therefore cos it will get over, will get the theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore option D, 60 degree is the correct one. If like that problem anything gave, you can take a similar. That means cos you have is in a cos related what value it will come. So based on that you can easily do and go. Need to get confused. If you are getting anywhere confused, otherwise you can't remember, just write it down somewhere and you can see whenever you get a doubt and you can understand that. 1. If sin A plus cos A is equal to root 2 cos A, where A is not equal to 90 degree, then the value of tan A is? Options we have root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1, minus root 2, root 2. This is one of the easiest problem only. So you have this problem in a reader also. You can go through with it. Because in a board exam they said that they will give all the problems based on the reader one. What you have in a reader one, that one only. So mark it down in your place, you will get to know this one. This is the easier one, no need to get confused. We will see what they gave. That is sin A plus cos A is equal to root 2 cos A. Now we will take the cos A down, denominator of this term. So we will get sin A plus cos A divided by cos A is equal to root 2. Now we will separate cos for a sin and cos. So then what will get sin A divided by cos A plus this one will get cos A by cos A. Cos A by cos A will get cancelled, get 1, that is equal to root 2. Now I take this one plus 1 that side, it will become minus 1. So sin A by cos A value is what? Tan A. That is equal to tan A is equal to 2 minus 1. Therefore answer option A, root 2 minus 1 is the correct. Ninth one, the value of sin 60 into cos 30 is? Options we have 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, root 3 by 4. Here you have that the sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 value also same, but only. So therefore sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to cos 30. Now we will multiply that both, we will get root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, we will get root 3 by 2 whole square. So square and root cancel for a 3, then we will get 3 divided by 2 is a 4. Therefore what will get the answer? 3 by 4. Option B, 3 by 4 is the correct one. Same similar type of the problem they'll give. They may change the values. So try to practice that one with the different values so you will get easily the answers. 10th one, the value of 45 is? Options we have 1, 3, 1 by root 2, root 3. That's obviously we know that is what? Option A, 1 is a correct one. Same similar type of a problem, just try to put a different values and you will get the answers, and you will try yourself, means you get to know where it will go wrong, where it will come correct. So try to practice with very different values, and if you like these videos, share with your friends. To get more notification, please press the bell icon